If you want to transfer your domain from Hostinger to GoDaddy, this video will walk you through the full process step by step in a simple and safe way. By the end, you'll know how to unlock your domain, get the transfer code, start the transfer in GoDaddy, and complete the final approval so everything moves over properly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Let's get started. First, go to Hostinger and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Domain section. From there, click Manage next to the domain you want to transfer. This is where all the transfer settings are handled, so make sure you're selecting the correct domain before moving forward. Next, you need to disable domain lock. This is an important step because a locked domain cannot be transferred out. When domain lock is turned off, Hostinger allows the transfer request to go through. If you skip this step, the transfer will usually fail or get stuck, so take a moment to confirm that the domain is unlocked. After that, you need to get your EPP code, also called the Auth Code. This code acts like a security key that proves you are authorized to transfer the domain. In Hostinger, you'll usually find this in the Domain Management area after unlocking the domain. Copy it carefully because you will need to enter it later in GoDaddy. Now that you have the code, go over to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Domain Transfer page. This is the section where GoDaddy lets you bring a domain in from another registrar. On that page, type in the domain name you want to transfer and click Continue. GoDaddy will then ask for the EPP or Auth Code. Paste the code you copied from Hostinger into the correct field. Make sure there are no extra spaces or missing characters, because even a small mistake can cause the transfer to be rejected. After entering the code, continue to the next step. At this point, you'll usually need to complete the payment. This payment is commonly for the transfer fee and may also extend your domain registration depending on the domain and transfer rules. Review everything carefully before confirming the purchase so you know exactly what you're paying for. Once the transfer request is submitted, keep an eye on your email. You should receive an approval message related to the transfer. Open that email and approve the transfer from there. This step is very important because the transfer often cannot finish without your confirmation. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or promotions folder too. After approval, the transfer does not usually happen instantly. In most cases, you'll need to wait around 5 to 7 days for the transfer to fully complete. During this time, the domain is moving between registrars in the background. You don't need to keep restarting the process. Just monitor your email and your GoDaddy account for status updates. And that's it. Once the transfer finishes, your domain will now be managed through GoDaddy instead of Hostinger. It's a straightforward process as long as you unlock the domain, get the EPP code, enter it correctly, and approve the transfer by email. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step website and domain guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.